Why, hello there and welcome back. I'm glad you can join me for another Whiteboard.Chat short tutorial. Let's jump right into it. Well, here it is, another big announcement. I had a feeling that this one was coming because for a little over a year, Whiteboard.Chat has been free to all users with unlimited access, and educators from around the world have been enjoying this great online tool. And as the creators have always promised, it will continue to be free, however, with limited access. And unfortunately, you'll see more ads on the instructors board. So if you want to get rid of those ads, consider buying a plan. It will be well worth your money, especially if you plan on teaching remotely or would like to go paperless. Now is an especially great time to consider purchasing a plan because they're offering a 20% off discount. So let's take a look at some of the offers. Here we have the basic free plan. This plan includes 10 boards with a limited board life of 7 days. But notice that you don't have that co-teaching option. So if that's something that interests you, you may want to consider purchasing a plan. With the $30 plan, you have unlimited boards, that co-teaching option, and an extended life of the board up to 4 weeks. The next highest plan is the $70 annual plan. In here, you pretty much get all the perks: unlimited board life, the co-teaching option, and then we have the annual gold. The main difference between this plan and the $70 annual plan is that the $70 plan allows up to 20 boards with indefinite board life. However, with the $150 annual plan, all boards have an indefinite board life. And of course, if you're one of the fortunate ones and your school is willing to invest, then you have this option for schools and districts. Depending on your needs, there's a little something for everyone. But you must make a decision before September 1st to take advantage of the discounts. And at first I was thinking, well, there's no need to purchase a plan since most of my students will be returning face-to-face. However, I still think it's great for assigning homework, for use in sub-planning, and this will also lessen the amount of copies that I would need for center activities and classwork. If you would like to learn more about how to make the best use of Whiteboard.Chat, make sure to check out some of my other videos that explain how to set it up, gives you lesson plan ideas, help with struggling students, and so much more. Look for links in the description box below. Thank you for watching. And to continue to support my channel, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, take care.